Hi, I'm Tad Carpenter, designer, illustrator, and believer in the power of print. I'm traveling the globe with Kodak to see how commercial printers are making choices that are good for the world, good for print, and good for business. This is Press On. We're gonna hop across the pond to Germany. Follow us. Time to press on. Germany has a really dynamic commercial printing market with companies of all sizes. We're going to visit a couple of printers that are finding a balance between environmental sustainability and economic sustainability. How are they doing it? How does it affect their output, their clients, their bottom line? And how is Kodak a part of it? First leg canceled. Good start. First bite of wurst in Germany right here. That's good. Lives up to the hype. Germany is an environmental world leader. Over a third, that is right, a third of all of their energy comes from renewable sources. Frankfurt is no exception. 15% of all commuting happens on the back of a bicycle here. According to a recent study, Frankfurt is the most sustainable city in the world. We're heading into Ronheim to meet Lokay. Here's the lowdown. They're a family-owned and operated commercial printing business. They've been around since 1932. They call their approach environmentally value-added. Essentially, they're completely eco-friendly, from how they're heating their building to how they're printing for all of their customers. Logistics, inks, paper, electricity, software. Heck, they were even the first German company to lease a bicycle fleet for their employees. And they do all of that while still producing high-quality output for their customers. And the thing is, it doesn't cost any more than the traditional way. Let's see how they're doing it. So why sustainability? Why is that important to you and your company?
Well, it's our philosophy. Sustainability is the center of the brand of Lokay, and we work on it every day. Sustainability for us is a business advantage. About 75% of our clients, they print today with Lokay because we are sustainable. This is not only an effect in eco, it's also an effect in economy. We are magnetic in Germany.
So I understand you're using Kodak Sonora plates. Why do you use those?
We used a lot of water only for the processing the plate. So it was clear one day we will change to a process-free plate. We tested 3 plates and they got the best results. And now we are sparing 20,000 liter drinking water and we don't have chemicals.
Also wenn die Druckplatte belichtet ist, das Bild, was auf der Druckplatte zu sehen ist, war bei der Sonora-Platte am deutlichsten. Man konnte am meisten erkennen. Und das war nochmal ein Vorteil gegenüber dem Wettbewerb, weshalb wir uns zu dem Zeitpunkt damals für diese Platte entschieden haben. Also die Reaktion der Drucker war eigentlich durchweg sehr gut. Und ja, also es gab eigentlich am Anfang, vom ersten Moment an, keinerlei Probleme.
So what are the results of your eco investment?
Well, the biggest investment actually was our new building. And the heart of the building is our energy recovery system. So we are heating with the energy from the printing machine. So we are not using any oil.
So the heat is actually coming from your machines as they work?
Yes.
That's amazing.
First step was renewable energies, but later we optimized the process. And so today we have 80% less carbon footprint.
Wow. And so where do you go from here? How do you continue to reduce?
So you have to show your clients the alternatives to the conventional products. For example, in paper, we show how nice you can print in recycling paper. So you have to change the mindset of the people.
And so how do you see this affecting printing moving forward? Germany, worldwide?
Well, I think the sustainability is in process and we are still in the beginning. It's only 2 ways. So you believe in print, you invest and you are part of it, or you drop and you go off. Lokay believe in the future of print. This is a family-run company, so our vision is to give it in the next generation.
So that was Lokay. We're leaving Frankfurt, we're heading north to Hamburg. We're gonna check out a printer right outside the city, see what they're up to. Okay, let's talk Hamburg. 40% of the city is green area. Just a few years ago, the city was rated the European green capital, and they have a plan in the next 20 years to eliminate all cars. What's even more interesting is that Hamburg is a significant hub for both business and industry. Hamburg has the second largest port in all of Europe. So why we travel up north? To visit another family-owned printing company, the Eversprang Group. They're headquartered here in Meldorf, but they have printing facilities throughout Germany and beyond, like these places, most of which I'm still learning to pronounce. They're a great example of a really big business that's able to invest in sustainability, apply it to multiple locations, and still see bottom line success. They say that their success is a matter of responsibility. They believe that ecology is economical. So I was able to get some of Eversprang's management on the phone.
The philosophy of our ecological system of the company starts with the printing.
Being efficient with resources has lowered cost and increased their reputation with customers, even at this scale. Print is alive and well in Meldorf.
It's like a river.
Yeah, it's like a river, yeah. A river of paper and ink, right? Yeah. How much paper is being used for that one job? All of this?
I guess that is about maybe 80 tons.
80 tons of paper?
Yeah.
How much paper comes in and out of this facility?
500, 600 tons every day. Trillion SB.
Just out of curiosity, why did you choose Trillion?
The chemistry is very good and efficient. All printers say we want this plate.
The printers themselves tell you that they want to use that
we
plate.
had some good plate, we love it and we need it.
So you switched to Trillion. How do they compare to the plates that you used to use?
Die Standzeiten der Trillion, ist wesentlich höher. Wir haben Exemplare bis zu 1 Million Exemplare, die wir von der Trillion drucken können. Allerdings sind die dann eingebrannt, die Platten. Und zusätzlich kommt noch hinzu, dass wir auch bei dem Entwickler höhere Standzeiten des Entwicklers haben.
And you're able to maintain high quality output with these?
Das ist mit der Platte durchaus möglich.
So how do you use Printergy?
Ein großer Mehrwert im Printergy ist, dass man eben viele verschiedene Gerätschaften anschließen kann, zum Beispiel die Ausgabegeräte, Belichter, Improofer, Proofer und sonstige Sachen noch.
All our investments are focused on reducing energy and reducing the carbon footprint of our printing products.
This has been fantastic. Thank you so much for taking the time to talk with us today. Two very different parts of a beautiful country and two very different commercial printing companies, both with great stories. I'm Tad Carpenter saying goodbye from Germany. And remember, press on.